Hello, my name is Vera Prytkova. I'm a research and application scientist at CCDC. In this video, I'm going to tell you about preset genetic algorithm options in GOLD. With this option, you can predefine the number of genetic operations for every ligand regardless of its size and flexibility. The number of genetic operations performed is the key parameter in determining how long a GOLD run will take, meaning this parameter controls the coverage of the search space. If you decide to use 100,000 operations, this delivers high predictive accuracy, but it's a relatively slow option. The settings are recommended for use with large, highly flexible ligands or for the research applications where speed of docking is not an issue and optimal accuracy is required. 50,000 or 30,000 operations are progressively quicker. Predictive reliability will fall off but quite slowly. The settings are recommended for use with compounds containing up to 6 flexible bonds and ring corners. 10,000 operations will give comparable predictive accuracy to the slow 100,000 operation settings when docking small rigid ligands. These settings are recommended for use with ligands containing 1 or 2 rotatable torsions and for virtual screening work. Thank you for your attention.